Okay guys, so keep watching if you want to find out how I met my mentor, who is a barrister as a law conversion master's student, aspiring barrister, and someone who's doing the bar next year. So Esther asked this really good question. Yeah, I love this question because it's really a good opportunity for me to share with you guys how I met my mentor. So yeah, let's talk about my University of Law mentor. As you guys may or may not know, I'm currently doing a law conversion master's course at the University of Law. And when I was actually when I joined the University of Law initially, I was made aware that there is actually a mentoring scheme, as you can see here, the University of Law mentoring scheme. This scheme basically allows you to be on a course and to connect with a mentor that's either a solicitor or a barrister. Now, as an aspiring barrister, which is what this page is all about, I opted for a barrister mentor, and God is good, I was awarded a barrister mentor, even though there aren't many barristers who volunteer for that particular scheme, as I was told by Employability. Now, in terms of speaking about how I actually applied for that and why mentorship is important, let's actually talk about that while I make a coffee. I'm going to make a 3-in-1 coffee today, so let's talk about that while I make a coffee. So yeah, while I make my coffee, so I applied for the mentoring scheme online via email, and I did this basically by kind of reading my emails. I saw an email that basically talked about actually being able to apply for a mentoring scheme. That was via my University of Law email address, and then basically the application involved me answering quite a few questions about why I want to be a barrister. So I'm just pouring my coffee now. So the application basically concerned why I want to be a barrister. It talked about what areas of law interest me and what I hope to gain from a mentoring relationship. And for me, those kind of questions as well were really helpful because it allows them to pair you up with somebody who actually can resonate with what you're doing, and additionally also offer certain support as well. Again, it enabled me to reflect on my motivations, ambitions, and where I needed guidance on as well. Definitely do another video. I'm actually talking about how I actually prepared for my first meeting as well, so do comment down below if that's something that you're interested in seeing. But I think actually in terms of talking about that as well, I think it gave me a chance to reflect on my motivations, to reflect on my ambitions, to reflect on my why. Again, if you watch my previous videos, I always talk about having a why for why you want to be a barrister. So again, it allowed me to focus on that. I spoke about in my answer, I spoke about my passion for advocacy, access to justice, my lived experiences so far, the areas of law. As you guys know from my previous video, yesterday's video, I want to specialise in public law, so I spoke a little bit about that in my application. Another question was why you want to be a barrister and not a solicitor, and explaining as well your journey, your experiences, your work experience as well. So that's basically what I did. And yeah, mentorship for me is definitely something I really value. It's something I really enjoy. It's something I really like. I do believe that it is, especially in a profession such as law, which can be quite competitive, it can be quite daunting as well, stepping out of your comfort zone. It is really good to have that insight, to have that encouragement, to have someone who has gone before you, who has done what you're about to do and really giving you guidance. So my mentor is now going to help me in terms of crafting applications, crafting and understanding the niche in terms of what type of law I want to do. And indeed, you guys, I will share all of this here on my Faith Brunel Talks Law page. Everything I kind of learn in terms of like my top sets and chambers and stuff like that as well, I'll definitely share with you guys. So comment down below what you're actually kind of looking forward to on your bar journey or on your law journey, and comment down any questions or queries you may have regarding mentorship. That's a very short video today, but stay tuned for more. Bye everyone. Oh yes, and I'm going to have my lovely coffee now.